Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a battle of the BoxyCharm premium boxes. If that sounds interesting, stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen and I'm so glad that you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now, for anyone who's not familiar, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box. It costs $25 a month. You receive 5 full-size beauty items, and the boxes have an average value of about $175. Boxy Premium is an optional addition to your BoxyCharm account. You receive a second monthly box for $35 a month, and in these boxes you receive 6 to 7 full-size beauty items. Each box has an average value of about $215. Now, I have 2 accounts that both receive the premium box. The only difference between the 2 accounts is the age in the profile. My original subscription, of course, has my real age, which is 54. The second one has me as 36. So let's see if the age makes a difference in terms of what other items you get in the box. Or does your choice item matter? Let's see what we can find out. So, box number 1, which we have here, again, has my real age, which is 54. So let's open it up. And we have, as always, we get a card. It talks about the theme. This month's theme is Harvest. Now, I'm not sure that the theme really always has much to do with what's in the box. But it is a nice touch, and I think it's a really pretty card this month. The back of the card does list the products that we're receiving, the MSRP, and a little bit about them. And in the bottom corner here we get a variation number. I have variation number 4 in my 54-year-old box. For those of you who try and track these things, this box weight was 1.9 pounds. Okay, the first item is from Illamasqua, and it is the Unveiled Artistry Palette. And there's the packaging. This was a choice item. The other possibility was a Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Powder. And here's the inside packaging. Very pretty. The packaging itself is very fall-like. It says, express your individuality with 12 highly pigmented powder eyeshadows in satin matte and metallic shimmer. Each one delivers a color-intense finish, allowing you to recreate any number of unique nude looks. Okay, so it tells us it's going to be a bit of a nude palette, and it is. There is a little plastic here that not only is a protector, but also gives you the names of the shades, which, unfortunately, when you remove this, then you no longer have the shade names on here, so that's kind of annoying. There is a mirror, but I'm going to tilt that down. Here are the shades. I think it's a pretty palette, but to me, this background color throws me off with some of these shades. I would rather see a more neutral palette itself, like the palette packaging, so that the colors stand out. Like, to put this, you know, kind of warm, rusty, dusty, I don't even know what to call it, color background kind of throws off. Like, to me it doesn't really go with some of these shades. It's just me. Anyway, I mean, I think it's very pretty. It is very nude. The top row is all shimmers, and the bottom row looks like it's all mattes. Honestly, I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. I don't need another nude palette, but there are a couple of shades in here that I really like. So, I'm not quite sure on this one. It's very pretty. Again, if I didn't have way too many eyeshadow palettes right now, and a huge Sephora haul order that is almost completely in, and then another big order that I just placed directly from a brand. So I don't want to see about that. Anyway, this has a retail value of $51. Again, this was a choice item. So we have a $51 palette. It's a $35 box, so the box is already paid for. Not so bad. I will say this box is very well protected, because not only do we have the foam surrounding that palette, then between the foam, there was this next item, and then there's a great big load of bubble wrap above everything else. So they really were protecting it this month, considering that I've had 4 eyeshadow palettes delivered either to my house or to my post office box in the last 2 weeks that have been broken. BoxyCharm is really going out of their way to make sure that these were safe. Maybe they just know that maybe it's been happening a lot to their customers, or maybe it's just 'tis the season. Delivery drivers are stressed. There's a lot going on, so maybe they realize that maybe they should put a little extra in. I don't know. Either way. Our next item is from Pure, and it is 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders Face Palette. And let's open this up. This was available in 3 shades. There's Fair Light, Medium Tan, and Dark Deep. And we got Fair Light, which is good. So they apparently were checking the profile. According to the BoxyCharm website, boxes either we're going to get this or a lipstick from Ilia Beauty. This is an all-in-one face palette that features a bronzer, highlighter, blush, and translucent setting powder arranged in a sleek, travel-friendly case. And here's the case. It is very nice. It's good and small, but it doesn't feel cheap. That is pretty. Nice big mirror here. There are the shades on that. Again, this is available in 3 different skin tone variations. We do get the Fair Light, which is something that would work for me. The retail on this is $34. Next thing I see is from Grown Alchemist, and this is their Detox Night Cream. I'm going to open that up. According to the BoxyCharm website, you are either going to get this or a brush set, so we'll see. And this is, again, an advanced detoxifying night cream. I've heard a lot about Grown Alchemist, but I've never tried their products. They say that this has a complex blend of peptides, echinacea, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, and essential omega fatty acids to detox and regenerate the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in a radiant, youthful-looking skin. The retail version of this product actually comes in a tub, not a tube, but it's the same amount of product. I didn't go through and compare the ingredients, but in terms of the amount of product, it is the same amount of product. So this is full size, even though it's not their traditional retail packaging. It is the same amount of product, and the retail on this is $125. So curious about that one. If anyone has tried this, let me know, because again, I've heard good things about Grown Alchemist, but I've never tried them. Okay, our next one is from Cosmetics, and it is a skincare brush set. There's one cleansing brush and one dual-sided silicone mask applicator. Now, according to BoxyCharm, you're supposed to get either this brush set or the Grown Alchemist night cream. I got both, so I'm not going to argue, but according to BoxyCharm, it seemed like it was supposed to be one or the other, but anyway. So again, the one brush is a dual-sided silicone spatula for applying creams, exfoliators, serums, or masks. And this other one, and I don't know if you'll be able to see it, and I'm not going to take it out because I'm not sure right now whether I'm going to keep it because of the issues going on with my eye right now, and I'm trying to be very careful about what I do and don't do with my skin right now. But this is it says take cleansing to the next level with this embossed brush. I don't know if you can see the texture on the top of that, unfortunately. Probably not going to see it. But they say that this is a gentle exfoliator and pore cleansing brush. So that's interesting. I've never seen anything like this. The silicone mask applicator brush retails for $10. I could not find this other, the skin exfoliator brush anywhere for sale online other than like Poshmark or Mercari, which may have gotten it from people who got it in BoxyCharm. So I could not verify the retail price on this, but they're saying that the set retails for $25, and given that the silicone applicator is $10, I think that that's a fair estimate of the retail value on it. Okay, next from Dose of Colors, we have the Block Party single eyeshadows. There are 20 shades available per the Dose of Colors website. In this line, I don't know how many different colors there were in boxes. I have seen a couple of different ones come up. I have the shade Slinky. And to me, Slinky, I'm expecting something metallic, because to me, Slinky is the thing that walks down the stairs, but we'll see what they think Slinky is. Yeah, I'd say that's a sort of a metallic gray. That's very pretty. Retail on this is $20. I haven't tried these single shadows from Dose Colors. I don't know that I know I've had lip products from them, but I don't know if I've tried their eyeshadows at all. So let me know if you have. And the last item for this box is from, it's well packaged because it's wrapped in bubble wrap. It is from the Lifestyle Co. and it is 100% natural cuticle oil. Let's see if I can get this open. There we go. It is 100% natural cuticle oil, and this is a 10 milliliter bottle. They say this natural healing cuticle oil is made with pure almond oil and jojoba oil to soften and nourish cuticles. Also has lavender oil to strengthen nails and cuticles and keep them both moisturized. And the retail on this is $22. I think I'm the only person on the planet that does her nails but doesn't use cuticle oil. But I probably should, especially now as we're getting into the winter, as you know, skin is a lot drier. So I'm looking forward to trying this. Like I said, I've never used it. If you've used this one in particular, let me know. Or if there's a good way or proper way to use it, let me know. Because again, it's not something, like I said, I do my nails, you know, I change my polish at least once, sometimes twice or 3 times a week. But I have never used cuticle oil. I, used to get the manicures, and the manicures used it, but whenever I've done my polish changes myself, which is all the time now, because it's not something I leave the house for. I've never actually used it. So that is my premium box number 1, my 54-year-old self box. They do say that the average value of a BoxyCharm premium box is about $215, and it's a $35 box. Total on retail value of this one, $277. Not too bad. But let's see what 36-year-old me got in her box. 36-year-old me would have been born the year I graduated high school. So that's the reason I picked that year. So again, this is 36-year-old me. Let's see what we've got. Again, with our card, and we've got variation number 4 again. So we got the same box. Let's see if we got the same colors of everything. But yeah, so much for a battle. We got the exact same ones. We got the Unveiled Artistry palette, the Pure 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powders in Fair Light, the Grown Alchemist Night Cream, the skincare brushes, the cuticle oil, and we got the Dose of Colors in the same shade. It is exactly the same box. So much for the experiment this month. Although you know what that means? Everything in this box will be going into giveaways. So there'll be at least one of everything. There may be 2 of some of these items, but at least one of them will go into giveaways. I'm not going to do this giveaway as a full box giveaway, or at least not right now. I do have my Thanksgiving giveaway going on, and I did promise a Boxy Base giveaway, including the Natasha Denona Peak palette. I have not forgotten, that is coming. I do want to give people a chance to know whether or not they're getting the Peak palette before they enter my giveaway. So I decided to go ahead and do the Thanksgiving giveaway, and then I will post this other one toward the end of the month, the one with the Peak palette, so that people enter it who have not received it in their boxes, to give those people a chance. So that is coming. So this box of duplicates will probably get split up among Some of them may be in my holiday giveaways, my Christmas giveaways and stuff throughout December, or as we go on from there. So yeah, failed experiment this month. That was kind of anticlimactic. Anyway, make sure that if you are interested in my Thanksgiving giveaway that you check it out. I will link it, and that will run until Thanksgiving Day at 1 o'clock Eastern Time, and that is for a full GlossyBox Advent Calendar. Leave any comments down in the comments section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Let me know if we're box twins, because I'm just with all the variations. I mean, there are other times that I've been variation number 100 and something, and now I've got 2 of the exact same. Anyway, leave your comments down below. Remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe. Please be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.